Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So yesterday, Corey and I were at the garage. We fixed it up, pulled the Saturn out. We got a little bit of the paint work done on it, and pushed it up, pulled the Saturn out, got the Integra all cleaned up inside, vacuumed it out, and cleaned up the garage and stuff. And so we took some stuff out to the dumpster over here, and we looked at a cabinet. It's got a big white wooden block on it, and it would be nice for the garage. So we're gonna go check it out and see. It's just sitting over here by the dumpsters here. See if we can pick it up. And it'd be nice to put tools in it, and just a rolling cart, you know, kind of like a kitchen cabinet cart that had a microwave on it. So we're gonna go check this out real quick and see if we can pick this up for our garage. It'd be kind of nice to have a table, you know, kind of workbench. So just a little small workbench. So I'm gonna go check this out real quick, and then we'll start working in the garage today. So we just figured today we're gonna do like a miscellaneous video, just working on the Integra a little bit, working on the Saturn a little bit, you know, cleaning up, doing whatever. You know, we focus on doing, you know, whatever, this to a car. So I figured just you'd want to see a little bit of each of the cars on this video. Just working on this, working on that, so it's not just focused on one car. So let's go check this thing out real quick, and then we'll be right back. Well, this is the cabinet we were looking at yesterday. You can see what's in there. That's all roaches. There's roaches everywhere, all over this thing. That's roach poop. Nah. Would have been nice to have in the garage though. Nice top. Put our head on there, work on it. But I don't think we're gonna grab this. So let's head over back to the garage and see you there.
That'll be nice once that everything's done.
Alright, well, we didn't decide to get that because there's roaches all inside there, and I don't want that in the garage right now. We're gonna walk back to the garage. The garage is just right over there. And then the dumpster's back there. There's the empty swimming pool right there. So we have access to the swimming pool and stuff over here because we pay for the garage, so we have electricity. And we're gonna check this out. Ooh, look at that. Look at that RV. Let's check this out real quick. Oh my goodness. What happened to it? Huh? Let's check and see what happened to this thing. Why is it sitting here? Oh, can you say toasty? Like TK would say. Oh my goodness. This thing caught on fire. Check out the other side. Yep, this thing caught on fire, huh? It's a little. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. There's the microwave. Microwave's still there. Look at the whole top. Look at this. Ooh, my goodness. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. You see it? Look back there.
Wow. Fire came back here and
This thing
nose burned out that one.
Toasty! Look what I found.
Found a spark plug.
I found a spark plug. Alright, well, let's go to the garage and see what we can get into today. See what we're going to do first. First, we got to pull up the Saturn. So if you can see, I'll show you in a minute when we get to the garage how much room we would actually have in the garage with the Saturn and the Integra in here. You won't believe that we got both these vehicles in here. And there's the Jeep. Alright, got the key. Alright, let's get this open. Look at this. Cleaned it up yesterday. Look how clean it looks now on the sides. There was so much stuff on the side. We threw so much stuff away. There's the AC compressor. There's the Saturn. We started doing body work, started painting a little bit yesterday. Ran out of paint. Can you believe that? I ran out of paint. Well, we got the radio. Radio's in. Looks nice. Got the dash all back together. Got that pushed all back up there. There's no gap no more. That's good. So we're gonna pull the Saturn out a little bit, and so we can get some room in here. Look how much room is between here. Look at this. And then the back. Look at that. We got 2 cars in this garage. Could you believe it? My goodness. All right. You want to pull this back a little bit?
Yeah.
We'll do a cold start on the Saturn. You can see how quick this thing starts up. It's got a healthy engine. Starts up real quickly. It's gonna look nice after it's done painted and sanded down, and got to do a buffing on it. Got to fix the seat. Starts right up. Look at the exhaust. There's barely nothing coming out of this exhaust. Look at that. It's running so good. Alright, come back a little bit. Let me get some room in here. That's good. That's good right there. Alright, we actually got some room now. See, we got some room to work now. So we started with the Integra. We pulled off the spark plugs and everything. If you've been watching those videos, you can see those videos on our playlist. And we got the fuel rail out before we did the other day. You can tell that one of them was replaced. This one right here, this fuel injector was replaced. See, with the yellow, you can tell that the carbon buildup on this one versus that one and that one and that one. So we got this out of here. We got the AC compressor out. That's gone. Radiator's gone. AC coolant lines are gone. AC condenser's gone. Power steering pump's out. You got the filter for the AC filter's gone. Cruise control's gone here. Check this out in this interior real quick. I'll show you. We got the carpet out yesterday, so that's at the house. So we pulled that out, took it back to the house. We're gonna pressure wash it, clean it up, and shampoo it, and see if we can get it all cleaned up. It looks so much better without that blue center console. Oh my goodness! Look at this car. It's got the short throw shifter in it. There's the seats and the headlights. There's that giant ass muffler. Looks like a trash can. Oh my goodness. Look how big that thing is. You could cut this open, cut those things in the side and use it as a trash can. So we got the radiator back there. There's the AC to condenser, all the parts. There's the header. There's the radiator with the fan shrouds and the fan still on there. There's the hood. So, yeah. So first, what you want to do first? Get the oil change done on the Saturn?
Yep.
Alright, we'll pop the hood. Pop the hood real quick, and then we can show them what the engine oil looks like. We can show them what the engine oil looks like after we changed it. We drove it about 1,000 miles, and this engine oil, you should check this engine oil out. It's freaking, looks like it hadn't been changed in 3,000 miles. You're having a little trouble? There we go. Alright, well let's get a rag here. Let's get a rag so you can check this. Alright, check that fluid real quick and see what it looks like. How clean this engine looks. Yeah, look at that. Turn it just a little bit. Turn it this way. Yeah. Yeah, it was really dirty. If you've seen the first video on this Saturn, when we first brought it home and did the oil change on it, my goodness, it was black. and we couldn't barely get the oil filter off. Yeah, it needs to be changed again, huh? All right. Well, did you bring the oil over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got a new oil filter and a new oil thing of oil, five quotes of oil. So we're gonna change the oil in the Saturn. Once we're done with that, we'll jump over to the Integra. We gotta take this exhaust off, so we gotta heat up the O2 sensor. Get the O2 sensor heated up so we can drop this exhaust and we get this exhaust out of the way. So when we jack this up, get all 4 tires off of it. Once we sell the Saturn, we'll get it up on jack stands and we'll start taking it off. But you can see that both the hood's gone, both the fenders are gone. The fenders are already thrown away. There, I took those, and we gotta take this other fender liner off. So we might do that today. I don't know. Let's just see what we get into. We're just doing a miscellaneous day at the garage with JC Motor Garage. So let's check it out, see what we can do. So let's start the oil change on this first, and then we'll be right back. All right, so I got the car jacked up. Give me a jack stand so I can throw underneath here before I crawl underneath here. But I just wanted to show them real quick here. Got a little bit of residue oil, but other than that, it's not leaking oil at all. We replaced the whole pan gasket and everything. I'm gonna throw this in here real quick. Throw this jack stand in here real quick, like that. All right, so we emptied this thing yesterday into a bucket, and I put the little red thing in there. And when I went to go drain the oil, the red little cap is still in there. This thing is full. I'm about to stick my hand in this oil and get this little drain plug out of here. Oh, I didn't want to have to do this. Oh my goodness. And is she draining?
But I'll look at the oil though too.
Is she draining? Look at that oil. Oh my goodness. Well, she's draining down now. All right, give me a rag. I can clean off my hands. Let this drain for a minute, and we should be good. The oil change on the Saturn, and we're gonna check the oil right here. Make sure the oil's all good, so it's not black. All that looks so much better. Look at that. And once we start it up, the fuel filter will take a little bit. The oil filter will take a little bit, and it'll be about where we need it to be. That looks so much better now. Somebody check that oil. Say, we did an oil change on this thing. Yeah, right. You did, didn't you? All right, that's good. We're gonna start this up, and we'll check it again. Make sure it's good to go, and we'll take out the exhaust off the Integra next. So let's do that.
See how much better it runs.
Yeah, it's probably gonna run so much better than what it did. I'll tell you. That oil is black though. You're different? Oh my goodness. Started out so much more smoother, didn't it? Yeah. Well, we'll say that first oil was a flush. An expensive flush. Because we put Valvoline in the first time. Yeah, that should be good. Run started off. Alright, let's check it. Here's a rag. Go ahead and check the oil real quick. I checked everything underneath because we're going to have to get an inspection on this car, because in Virginia you have to have an inspection 620, so it'll expire in June, and after that you can't drive the car.
The oil. It's black again.
It's black again. It's gonna need a few oil changes for this, so we should be able to do that with it. All right. Yeah, but with just like I was saying, with the inspection, you have to have good tires, you have to have good brakes, the exhaust has to run, Everything has to be working. All your suspension has to be working. It can't be broken or anything, or they won't inspect it and you can't drive the car. So I looked underneath there. Sway bar looks good. Inner tie rod links, sway bar links, everything looks good underneath there. It's not leaking oil. We did the front brakes. It's got a brand new exhaust pipe already on it. The guy did one before we bought it. So I don't think you should have a problem passing inspection. And then we ordered, I got to go pick up some paint there in down the road, probably Wednesday. I'll get over here, get this thing painted, so you'll see that video coming soon on the paint. But we just wanted to put this quick video out for you guys, just just doing miscellaneous stuff in the garage. So you can see right here that the radio's working in this thing. Sounds good. Sounds a lot better. It's got Bluetooth. I fixed all this just a little bit right there, but I got it pretty much even on this side. It was actually hanging down a lot, so I fixed that. So where's the keys? Right here. You can see the radio says welcome. And let's change this real quick. Band. Where's the tune? I don't even know how to do this. Oh, aux in. Okay, here we go. Let's just change this real quick. And let's see. No, we don't want to listen to that. Nope. Here we go. See? It sounds good. And you turn it off. It says goodbye. So there you go. We got somebody saying hello and goodbye to you when you're alone driving the car. Look at that. How much could you want? How much more could you want for a radio that tells you hello and goodbye? And sunroof's working. Wasn't plugged in. So I think it's looking a lot better. Look at the interior. Even with the new shift knob and everything. We just got to fix the headliner. But other than that, all right. Well, let's close this up and let's get started on the Integra. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motive Garage. So it's going to be a two-part series. So the first part was going to be, if I put out the whole video, it was going to be way too long. So I just split it up in half. So the next half, we're going to be working on the Integra, getting some stuff done to that, and whatever else we get into. But if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Thanks for watching.